Watch this video only if you are ready to dive into the secret sauce of running a successful faceless YouTube channel. I am about to show you how to join the big league with a faceless channel that already rocking over 1 million subscribers and a whooping 147 million views. And guess what? It's all about health and fitness, a goldmine niche on YouTube. Now let's talk about numbers. Health and fitness videos can earn between $2.5 to $7 per thousand views. But let's play it cool and say it's $5 on this channel. Over 7 years it has gathered around 147 million views. So let's do a quick math crunch first. Divide those views by 1000, then multiply it by 5 and then divide by 7. Boom, that's over $100,000 per year. And if they are promoting health and fitness product, let's say even 5% of their viewers end up buying from their link. But why just watch them make bank? Why not you? Time to turn that why not me? Watch me go. I'm going to show you how to kickstart your own faceless YouTube channel without spending a dime on cameras or mic. It's CapCut Online, arguably the best free online video editing tool tailored for YouTubers. It's packed with all the features you need for creating perfect YouTube videos, and the best part is it's free. CapCut Online. CapCut Online is the only tool that is incredibly user-friendly. AI-powered, has no watermarks, and is fully equipped with all the video editing features. You can find the link in the description. Sign up for free. You will be greeted with this intuitive dashboard. Let's take a quick peek at one of their videos. These push-ups will chisel your entire upper body. Did you notice anything? No faces, just stock videos, images, subtitles, and sleek editing. But here's something you might not know. They didn't record their own voices. Instead, they used voices created by AI. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to whip up a similar video with CapCut Online. First, click on Script to Video. It's a free script to video tool powered by ChatGPT-4. Type / to enable the prompt box where you should type a strong prompt like this one. It's designed to get an attractive and a powerful script, and you will be presented with 5 different script options. Just go through each of them to see which one appeals to you and select the one that fits your vision. Then click generate video and it will automatically create a complete video based on your chosen script. So let's check out the result.
Hey there, friends. Are you tired of sifting through countless diet journey? Well, I've got some fantastic news. Are you ready to say goodbye to your extra weight and hello to a healthier right?
Alright, it's good, but definitely need a few tweaks. For that, simply click edit video and you will land on the CapCut Online video editor. The previous step was easy and automatic, but this one is the real deal. You have to be attentive because you are about to learn how to use this free powerful editor along with the systematic step-by-step approach to editing a YouTube video. Usually we need to generate a script and voiceover first before getting to the editing part, but CapCut Online has made our job way easier with its AI script to video feature. Alright guys, let's head back to the editing window. First off, I want to give you a quick tour of the interface. Right here is our timeline, which is the heart of our editing process. It's organized into layers. For instance, this layer is for captions, this one for our media, and these two are audio layers handling voiceovers and background music. You have also got the ability to zoom in and out on both the preview screen and the timeline, making your editing experience a lot smoother. First thing first, we are going to delete the music track to steer clear of any copyright issues. However, feel free to use any of the stock material. It's all fair game now. Let's focus on making the first 5 to 10 seconds of our video really pop. Head over to the stock video search for what you need to pick the perfect clip and simply drag and drop it over the existing footage to swap it out. Next up, let's trim out those first few words from the voiceover that sounds a bit too generic. I'm also going to add a few more clips to this scene to match up with our voiceover content. Remember, You can adjust the length of any element on the timeline just like this. I am going to replicate these steps for the remainder of our video. After layering in some additional videos and photos, just double click on them and a widget pops up on the right side, giving you control over pretty much everything. I know it can seem a bit overwhelming at first, so let's break it down. Start by adding your animation and then split the captions into smaller, more manageable chunks. Just like this. Next, pick your favorite font, choose a color and tweak some of the basic settings. I'm also going to throw in a stroke effect to really make them stand out. And voila, our auto captions just got a major upgrade now. Now let's shake things up with some dramatic transition. Head over to the transition tab. Find one that catches your eye and simply click and drag it between clips. To add it, mixing in a few different transitions can really elevate the whole vibe. CapCut Online also got some stellar effect that can take our video to the next level. First, find an effect that fits, then drag and drop it onto the timeline, stretching it to cover the entire clip for a uniform look. I'll sprinkle in a few more effects here and there to spice things up. Alright guys, let's switch gears to the filter tabs now. This video might not need filters, but for demonstration's sake, I'm going to apply this cool filter and don't overlook the elements tab. It's packed with stickers and gifts that can add a fun twist to your videos. Something I love doing in my own videos. Now let's add some sound effect to our video. Head over to the audio section and click on sound effects. Effects in the top menu. This is a great feature because it saves you the hassle for searching the internet for sound effects. Let's pick this popular transition sound effect and place it exactly where the transition occurs. Do this for each transition, and I'm going to quickly add a few more sound effects to enhance our video. When everything is set, it's time to wrap up. Just click on export, then download. Make sure your resolution is set to 1080. Give your video a title and then hit export again. And there you have it, the final product. Let's talk about the final step, uploading your video to YouTube. A captivating thumbnail is crucial. Just create an amazing clickable thumbnail and wow, there you have it. I personally use it to create all my videos. If you want always to be kept up to date with my helpful little tutorials, that subscribe button is looking awfully smackable over there. Isn't it guys? Why not go ahead and give it a little love? If you have any question, comment down below. It's Swinety Algorithm 2.0 and I'll catch you nerds in the next one.